You've completed the Testing and Compatibility module. Well done. In this module, you got an introduction to code testing. This was an insight into how web developers test their JavaScript code. During this module, you explored the importance of testing, and you examined JavaScript testing methods. Let's finish up now with a recap of the material included in this module and summarize the content by focusing on the key learning points. The history of the development of the JavaScript language was outlined, and you learned that today it is possible to write full-stack programs with JavaScript. You should now know how to describe what Node.js and npm are, and install and set up Node.js and npm. In any development environment, you need to check that your code works properly before you move to the next phase of its development, or release a completed program to users. An example of using the concat strings function to join two strings served to demonstrate how commenting can help to indicate your code's intended behavior and how testing in JavaScript verifies that a function is behaving in the way that it was intended. Having completed that section of the module, you should now be able to identify reasons why a developer would want to test their code, differentiate between manual and automated testing, identify and describe the three different kinds of testing, and explore the features available to web developers within the Jest framework. Additionally, you should be able to understand the concepts of mocking and snapshot testing, explain how to test JavaScript files with Jest, and demonstrate how to write a unit test. You've put a tremendous effort into getting this far and gained some critical skills by learning about the need for code testing. You've also explored various methods used for JavaScript testing. Great work! You've completed another key part of your software development education. Keep the learning momentum going and be sure to join me for the next module.